Hello. My name is Storm, and I welcome you to this new episode of Microsoft Power BI. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to index columns. Index columns contain a list of sequential values that can be used to identify each unique row in a table, typically starting from 0 to 1. These columns are often used to create unique IDs that can be used to form relationships between tables. Moving to conditional columns, this column allows you to define new fields based on logical rules and conditions, if-then statements. You can find it in the Add Column tab in Edit Query window. In this scenario, we are creating a new conditional column called Quantity Type, which depends on the values in the Order Quantity column as follows. If Order Quantity equals 1, then Quantity Type equals Single Item. If Order Quantity is greater than 1, then Quantity Type equals Multiple Items. Otherwise Quantity Type equals Other. Follow along the tutorial as I walk you through. Feel free to reference to the beginning of the video if you find yourself lost on the ribbon.